Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to get My AI on Snapchat. Recently, Snapchat has updated with this feature My AI without the paid subscription. This feature was available before but it was paid subscription, but now you can get this for free. So let's get started. Open your App Store. Search for the app Snapchat. You have to update your Snapchat to its latest version to get access to My AI feature. After app appears, you can see the option of open or update. If you see the option of update over here, just tap on it and update your Snapchat to its latest version. As mine is up to date, it is showing the option of open. After you update your Snapchat, just open it. Now go to the chat section. At the very top, you can find this My AI option. Open it. Now you can have conversation with My AI. So this is how you can easily get My AI on Snapchat. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.